shit. I think I might have broke it. This is not supposed to be splayed this way. I'll show you an alternative way, but I'm afraid to now use the machine because I think I broke it. I was trying to show how to renew the towel edging by using a serger because I thought it would be the quickest way. All right, I have the machine all up and running. I have some bias tape that I bought a while ago. I'll show you how to use that. Snip this excess off. Now, what happened with the serger is I ended up going over this nubbin a little bit, and that it didn't like it, did ya? And it's like, no, I am so sad. We're gonna have to figure you out, but we'll do that after, because we've got a job to do here. Now we're going to pin down the bias tape, making sure that the edge of the bias tape is along the edge of the towel. Now, if you see this line here, that is where we're going to sew along the edge after we're done pinning everything on. So you're just going to continue to pin all the way down the towel. And now we're going to sew it in place. All right, so now we're going to take all the pins out, and then once this is folded over, like so, we will stitch along this side, and that's the only stitch you're going to see. And now we're just going to carefully pin the bias tape on the other side of the towel where the seam is going to be shown, all the way down. If you have any suggestions as to how to repair or renew a towel edge, I would love to hear them in the comments below. Now, that looks so much better. And it'll give me some more use of these towels. So I'm gonna call it a win. Yay. Next up, we'll see if I can't do anything about this poor little pathetic thing. Aw, I'll fix you, baby. Don't worry. We'll do that next. Thanks for watching. Bye.